Hey guys, welcome back. This is Dutch Guy's Garage. On this episode, we're going to be doing some more work on our 1979 Plymouth Volare Station Wagon.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I used them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself.
Well, what do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
Yeah! Now on this episode, we are going to be working on our throttle cable and some other things. But we were running the factory big block mount for the throttle cable and this aftermarket spring thingy. That everything's been powder coated and looks nice. Unfortunately, I found out that when I went to go put all this back together, throttle cable was actually broken partially. So when we went to it snapped. So we either had to find a new factory one, or I had just happened to order some parts for the Super Coupe, and which will take you over here. And we have this lovely all-star bracket that I ordered in aluminum or something, whatever it is. It's shiny, but we ordered that, and I had another Lokar cable in stock. So circumstances that be, we're gonna end up putting this on the station wagon. There's something else I wanted to show you. Oh, we did get some actual station wagon ordered parts. We have our new coolant reservoir thingamajigger that we ordered. Looks a little bit better than the yellow factory piece. So we're going to go ahead and take our old brackets off and get these new ones on. Alright guys, after some modifications to the old Lokar cable where you gotta cut it a whole bunch, we have our all-star bracket in there. The only thing we gotta modify is this Lokar cable. Tip you up here. Come on now. We gotta get this into the old slot here. It's kind of loose, but as you can see, it's got all full travel. It's hard. It is hard. It's stiff. It's gonna have a stiff pedal, but that's our all-star bracket. install with our Lokar throttle cable, and that gets us one step further onto completing this big block. So super cool, and we will see you guys in another episode. As always, this is Dutch Guy's Garage. Appreciate you guys watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you guys in another episode. Always remember, they don't move until you do.